Hi, in this video I will walk you through how to set up and use the stock portfolio tracker. With this spreadsheet you can easily track your stock investments and see your returns. It is designed to track investment across multiple currencies and platforms, consolidating everything into one simple and organized dashboard. To keep things working correctly, most formula cells are protected so that you don't accidentally change something important. If you see a warning message, it just means that cells shouldn't be edited. Also try not to move the cells around, as it could mess up how the spreadsheet works. At the bottom of your screen you will find all different tabs included in the spreadsheet, each serving a specific purpose to help you manage your portfolio. The stock portfolio tracker uses the Google Finance function for the real-time data, ensuring your stock market information updates constantly, which is why you will notice the constant recalculations. Before you begin using the spreadsheet, there is one important step, is to run the macro. This spreadsheet contains two built-in macros. To ensure functionality, you will need to activate them before getting started. To do this, go to the Extensions menu, click on App Script, and then run the script. When you do this, you will see the pop-up asking for authorization. Click Review Permission, select your Google account, and then you will see the warning message from Google, stating that the app hasn't been verified. Go ahead and click Advanced. Then go to and the file name. You will need to grant access to your Google account for the script to run correctly. Once you have allowed it the access, you will see the execution log showing the code running in real time. Now run the second script. After that you can close the script tab and return to the spreadsheet setup. In the README tab you will find the instructions on how to use the spreadsheet. The tracker consists of 7 tabs, which I will explain in detail throughout this video. To get started, you will need to set up few key fields that will be used throughout the spreadsheet to ensure everything runs smoothly. First, enter your preferred currency code like USD. Using the correct currency code format is essential for the formulas to work properly. If you invest across multiple currencies in different investment platforms, this setup will help you keep everything consolidated in one currency. Next, list all the online brokers or investment platforms you use to buy or sell assets. This could include platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Interactive Brokers. For each investment platform, enter the starting cash balance to keep track of your available funds. Now let's set up your portfolio. List the ticker symbols of all stocks and ETFs you own. Only equities supported by Google Finance can be added. For example, for Apple the ticker would be, if you are unsure about the ticker symbol, you can check it in your investment account or online. Do not edit the first entry, cash, as it is required for the spreadsheet to function correctly. You can track up to 30 different securities, but if you need more, feel free to reach out and I will make adjustments. If you have the watch list of stock or ETFs that you are considering buying or selling, add the ticker symbols to the stock watch list section. Then in the watch list target table, enter your target buy or sell prices for each security. Next, define your investment types by listing the asset classes you invest, such as stocks, bonds, ETFs. The most commonly used types are already pre-filled, but you can add other if needed. For the investment sector, there is no action required. 11 major economic sectors are already included in this template. Now specify all currencies you use for investment transactions. The most common currencies are already included. But if you use one that isn't listed, you can manually add its currency code. Lastly, the transaction actions category is pre-filled, allowing you to record transaction, making it easy to track buys, sells, dividends, deposit, and withdrawal. By setting up all these categories, you will ensure that the spreadsheet works correctly, giving you a clear and accurate view of your investment portfolio. To maintain accurate financial records, all transactions should be logged in the Transaction Log tab. When entering the transaction, make sure to include all key details. Start by selecting the date of the transaction. Simply double-click the cell and pop-up calendar will appear. Choose the correct date from here. Next, select the ticker from the drop-down list. This includes all the stocks, ETFs, cash positions you previously entered in the Setup tab. Once you select the ticker, the security name will automatically populate. Choose the appropriate investment type from the drop-down menu, based on the categories you have set up earlier. Then select the investment platform where the transaction took place. For the action, choose from the options like buy, sell, dividend, deposit or withdraw. The deposit refers to adding cash to your investment account, while withdrawal means the cash been taken out. If the transaction involves securities, select the sector from the drop-down. However, for deposits and withdrawals, this field is not required. Just leave it blank. Next, specify the transaction currency, which is essential when investing across multiple platforms and currencies. This ensures accurate currency tracking. Enter the quantity of stocks or ETFs purchased, sold, or received as dividends. Then input the unit price representing the price per share at the time of the transaction. The total amount will be automatically calculated by multiplying the quantity by the unit price. If any trading fee apply, enter the trade fee separately. The spreadsheet will then automatically calculate the unit price after fees and total amount after fees. Finally, all transaction values will be converted into the base currency, with a conversion rate applied automatically. This ensures a consolidated and accurate view of your investments, no matter which currency was used in the transaction. By consistently logging each transaction with these details, you will maintain an up-to-date comprehensive record of your investment activity. Portfolio Summary tab provides a comprehensive real-time overview of your investment, automatically generated based on the data entered in the Transaction Log tab. At the top, you will find the currency selector, allowing you to choose the currency in which all the values are displayed. You can adjust these settings at any time, and all calculations will update automatically. This summary includes the total breakdown of all your buys, sells, as well as an overview of your total gains and losses. It calculates the total number of shares held based on all buys and sales transactions recorded in the transaction log. If the number of shares shown as zeros, it indicates that you have fully sold your position. However, these stocks remain in the summary so that you can see the realized profit or loss. Your average share purchase price is displayed alongside the latest market price, which is automatically pulled from GOOGLEFINANCE. The daily price change is also updated in the real time. The total investment amount is calculated as the average purchase price multiplied by the current share quantity. Meanwhile, the market value reflects the latest share price multiplied by the number of shares. The unrealized profit or loss shows you how much you would gain or lose if you sold your current holdings at the latest market price. The realized profit or loss represents the actual profit or loss from the shares you have already sold. If you have recorded the dividend income in the transaction log, the total annual dividends will be displayed, summarizing all dividend payments received for each stock. The average dividend per payout is also calculated, along with the dividend yield. The portfolio summary also includes the key stock statistics such as price-to-earning ratio, earnings per share, and market capitalization. Additionally, you will find portfolio allocation breakdown, showing the portion of each holding within your portfolio. You can also view details such as transaction currency, type of holdings, investment platform, and sector classification. At the top, all essential portfolio metrics are summarized, including current portfolio value, total invested amount, rate of return, daily return, total profit or loss, total dividend received. This tab provides a clear data-driven snapshot of your entire portfolio, allowing you to monitor your investment and track performance with ease. The Stock Watchlist tab allows you to monitor your favorite stocks effortlessly. After entering your desired tickers in the Setup tab, along with your target buy and sell prices, all other data will populate automatically. Based on the current market price and your buy and sell target price, the watchlist will generate signal indicating whether it's time to buy, sell, or hold according to your target prices. You will also see the key market data, including the daily price change, trading volume, year-to-date returns, and both 52-week high and low. The visual representation of the 52-week performance helps you to see the trend. Additional stock details such as market capitalization, earnings per share, and price-to-earning ratio provides a deeper insight into each company. At the top of the tab, you will also find the summary of major indexes performance, along with the week's volatility index and the latest Bitcoin price, giving you the broader perspective on the overall market trends. The Investment Platform tab provides an overview of your investment accounts across different platforms. At the top, you will find the summary of totals across all platforms, including the total deposit amount, total withdrawals, total fees paid, total dividends, and the current overall balance. You can filter by specific investment platform to view all transactions associated with that account. Each transaction is displayed alongside key details such as the transacted value after fees converted into your base currency and rolling cash balance, allowing you to track cash flow over time. Additionally, this tab provides a summary breakdown for each investment platform. You will see the starting cash balance, which was entered in the Setup tab, deposited cash representing the total sum of all deposits made to the platform based on the transaction log, positions showing the current market value of your holdings, unrealized and realized profit and loss, giving you insights into both your potential and actual gain and losses. Total dividends earned reflected the dividend income from your investment. Current cash balance showing you available cash in each investment account after accounting for all deposits, withdrawals, and transactions. This tab helps you track how your money flows across different investment platforms, ensuring you have a clear picture of your overall portfolio performance. The Dividend Payout Calendar tab provides an overview of your received dividend income. Since the spreadsheet can be used for the multiple years, you will need to select the specific year to view the dividend calendar information. At the top, you will find Monthly Dividend Calendar. This calendar displays the dividend payment for each stock on the monthly basis. The tickers are automatically pulled from the Setup tab. When the stock pays dividend in the given month, the amount is highlighted, making it easy to track the payments. And the second one is the Daily Dividend Calendar. This calendar breaks down dividend payments on the daily level, showing you exactly when the dividends were received throughout the month. Each payment is highlighted. Additionally, this tab also includes comprehensive dividend metrics, giving you insights into the income and portfolio performance. The Portfolio Dashboard provides a comprehensive visual breakdown of your investment. It helps you understand your portfolio diversification and track the value of your financial holdings over time. At the top, you will find the key portfolio metrics, including the total cash balance, portfolio value, realized and unrealized profit or loss, total return, total dividend received, the biggest gainer and the biggest loser in your portfolio. The donut chart offers a clear overview of your portfolio diversification, showing you how your investments are allocated across different asset classes such as stocks, ETFs, and bonds. You will also see your top holdings based on the current market value, as well as allocation by the sector and breakdown by investment platform. In the Portfolio Overview area chart, you can track the growth of your portfolio over time. The Portfolio Returns versus Benchmark Returns chart allows you to compare your portfolio's performance against major indices such as Nasdaq, S&P 500, or Dow Jones. Simply select the benchmark of your choice. Total invested versus market value displayed as a bar chart, showing you how your investments has grown. Asset returns. See the performance of each holding at a glance. The Dividend Insights section provides a detailed analytics on your dividend income. The area chart visualizes monthly dividend income trend. The donut chart showing the dividend income distribution by sector. The bar chart displaying the total dividend income per stock. The combo chart illustrating the dividend income alongside dividend yield. With a portfolio dashboard, you can gain clear data-driven insights into your investments. This is everything you need to know to track your portfolio. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment or send me a message. I have included my contact info in the description below. Thank you for watching.